Literacy is changing and young children are increasingly exposed to communication tools and situations that are multimodal rather than exclusively linguistic. This has required new thinking about the forms of literacy. In addition to reading, writing, speaking and listening, the exposure to technology in the home and school environment has allowed literacy to become multimodal and therefore children are becoming multiliterate. Multiliteracies refers to multimodal ways of communicating through linguistic, visual, auditory, gestural and spatial forms. The use of technology in literacy creates additional options for children to learn. Furthermore, to be a successful learner in today's society, it is imperative that children are able to demonstrate their knowledge of code breaking, meaning making, text user, and text analyst practices through multiple modes. In relation to the Australian Curriculum English Strand, specifically Foundation to Grade 3, multiliteracies play an important part in children's learning. As stipulated by the Australian curriculum, the aim is to ensure that students listen to, read, view, speak, write, create, and reflect on increasingly complex and sophisticated spoken, written, and multimodal text across a growing range of contexts with accuracy, fluency, and purpose. A multimodal text comprises of the 5 design elements: linguistic, audio, spatial, visual, and gestural, which can be used in conjunction with the content descriptors in the Australian curriculum. Here are some examples. Foundation students could be asked to look at various texts, including multimodal text, and use their knowledge to decide which design elements are incorporated. Year 1 students could be asked to use linguistic and visual elements to create a short information report on an animal. Year 2 students could be asked to use their knowledge of linguistic, visual, and spatial elements to critically analyze a text. And Year 3 students could be asked to deliver a short presentation that incorporates all 5 design elements. Although the original forms of literacy are still a vital part of learning, children also need to be able to demonstrate knowledge in multimodal ways.
Created using Powtoon.